Good morning, guys. So it's like 8:30 in the morning, I think, on Monday. I didn't vlog my morning routine type thing, so sorry about that. But I'm going hiking with a friend, so I want to bring it along with. Don't fall. Can't see.
Don't make fun of my agility. Sam. Oh, she's so investigating a waterfall really close up. In it. In it.
Try not to fall.
Or if you could.
I know, I would too. Wait, I just want to take a picture of that.
Don't want you to. Use that tree.
Okay, wait.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
lean
fall.
on it. Almost sit on it if you want to.
Oh, I don't know how many.
Oh, hug a tree!
There's no more trees!
Make your way to the next one. But if you notice, rocks and roots.
Okay, I'm going for it.
There's no wood down here, like nobody's made steps. It's rocks and roots. This is amazing. Hiking poles! Oh yeah. Oh, no problem. I hope your hike's going good.
Thank
We've
you.
got a lot of great things. Excellent. Nope. Here. Is that little space, that clearing there? Then I'll get the giant tree behind you. The sunlight's coming in on you. I'll take a few, okay? So step either forward or back. There you go. Because the sun was like on this really steep on your face. Never mind falling off concussion from standing. Camera's messed up at the moment.